What's up, mga people? Saturday at Saturday. What's the time check? Saturday, March 15. Time check 6:47 in the morning. Alright, ang gagawin ni Daddy? Ito, luluto si Daddy ng chop suey. Ito matagal na binigay ito ng kaibigan ng aking Mrs. si Teacher Monica. December pa yata ito. Yan ang lulutuin. Mga kalahati lang gagamitin dyan. Oh, ang ganda na ako ng carrots. Red pepper. Parang red. Mala red pepper. Konting ano na tawag dito? Cauliflower. Ayan. Saka chicken breast. Pinakuluan. Mamaya himayin ko. Bigyan natin ng toyo, oyster sauce, nor cubes, at sesame oil. Ayan na, saka paminta. Pintang durog. Yun lang. Alright. Mamaya pag naluto na, punching time si Daddy. Take every strike, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Happy Saturday. Oh, Momo.